Hi teacher, my name is Ana Maria Munoz. This is task 5, speaking task forum and interview. Hello teacher, my name is Ana Maria Munoz. I am 53 years old. I live in Dinamarca. I'm single. I live alone. The members of my family are my two fathers, two sisters, and 3 nieces. She is in the picture, my mother Edilma. She is my sister Natalia with my father Ismael. She is in the picture my sister Paola. She is my sister Natalia. And my 3 nieces. She is in the picture. My name is Nicole. She is my name is Sarah. And she is my name is Isabel. In the picture, this is my beautiful home. I work in the transit of Punta, Emtra, 4 years ago. I really like working. I have many friends that I love very much. They are my second family. Two, experience of my trip to Zipacon in Dinamarca. My name is Ana Maria Munoz, living in Ponta, study administration in the SEAT Facultativa. I want to tell you about my experience when I traveled to Zipacon in Dinamarca, to my father's farm. I went with my family 3 months ago. My mother, my sisters, and my nieces. The climate of that place is strange, since in the morning it's very sunny, and in the afternoons it's very cold. So it is best to wear warm clothing because of the low temperatures and comfortable walking shoes. When you go to Zipacon, it is best that you go as comfortable as possible with comfortable clothes with warm. Recommendations. 1. Wear warm clothing. 2. Comfortable shoes. 3. Use umbrella. 4. Use gloves. 5. Hot drinks. 6. works hard. 7. If you travel by car, you must be in optimal mechanical condition. 8. If you travel and on a motorcycle that does not have school tires. 9. Use sunscreen in the hours of sun. And 10. Protect yourself from the cold to avoid cold. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.